Imagine waking up to a world where your emails are written, your groceries are ordered, and your schedule is perfectly organized all without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, AI can make this dream a reality. Stay tuned, because today, I'm showing you how to use AI to automate your life and save hours every single day. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Finance. If you're tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks and want to work smarter, not harder, this video is for you. Today we're diving into how to use AI to automate your life in 2025. From managing your schedule to running your side hustle, AI can do it all. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who loves efficiency, these tips will change the way you live and work. Let's get started. First up, automate your emails and communication. Let's face it, emails can be a huge time sink, but with AI, you can handle them in minutes. Tools like ChatGPT can help you draft professional emails in seconds. Just give it a prompt, and it'll write the perfect message for you. Pair that with Grammarly, and you'll never send an email with a typo again. But it doesn't stop there. Platforms like Zapier and Microsoft Power Automate can automate your entire email workflow. For example, you can set up a system where emails from specific senders are automatically categorized. Follow-up emails are sent if you don't get a reply. Meeting invites are scheduled based on your availability. Imagine never having to write another follow-up email again. With AI, you can focus on what really matters while your inbox takes care of itself. Next, automate your finances. Managing money can be stressful, but AI makes it effortless. Start with budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. These tools connect to your bank accounts, track your spending, and create personalized budgets. They'll even send you alerts if you're overspending. If you're into investing, apps like Acorns use AI to round up your purchases and invest the spare change. It's a simple way to grow your wealth without thinking about it. And for crypto enthusiasts, platforms like Coinbase offer automated trading bots. These bots analyze market trends and execute trades for you 24/7. With AI, managing your money has never been easier. You'll save time, reduce stress, and maybe even make some extra cash along the way. Third, automate your home. Smart home devices are no longer a luxury, they're a necessity. Start with a voice assistant like Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. These devices can control your lights, thermostat, and even your coffee maker. Just say the word, and your home will respond. But it gets better. AI-powered security systems like Ring and Nest can monitor your home 24/7. They'll send you alerts if they detect unusual activity, and you can even check live footage from your phone. And don't forget about smart appliances. Imagine your fridge ordering groceries when you're running low, or your washing machine starting a cycle as soon as you leave for work. With AI, your home becomes a well-oiled machine. Fourth, automate your work and side hustle. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or corporate professional, AI can make your work life easier. Start with project management tools like Notion and Trello. These platforms help you organize tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate with your team. For content creators, AI-powered design tools like Canva and Adobe Firefly are game changers. They can create stunning visuals in minutes, even if you have zero design experience. And if you're into video editing, platforms like Descript use AI to transcribe, edit, and polish your videos. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips. With AI, you can focus on growing your business while the tools handle the grunt work. It's a win-win. Finally, automate your personal life. AI isn't just for work. It can make your personal life easier too. Start with fitness apps like Fitbit and MyFitnessPal. These tools track your workouts, monitor your health, and suggest personalized routines. For meal planning, apps like MeLime are a lifesaver. They create grocery lists and recipes based on your preferences, so you'll never have to wonder what's for dinner again. And don't forget virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. They can set reminders, make calls, and even book appointments for you. With AI, your personal life can run like a well-oiled machine. You'll have more time for the things you love, and less stress about the things you don't. Here's a bonus tip. Automate your learning and self-improvement. AI-powered platforms like Duolingo, Khan Academy, and Coursera can help you learn new skills at your own pace. For example, Duolingo uses AI to personalize your language lessons, while Coursera recommends courses based on your interests. With AI, you can turn downtime into productive learning time. So there you have it. How to use AI to automate your life in 2025. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more life-changing tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.